So just to show you, to start off, I think it'll be great to show you this video, which is a industry example. So exactly like we said before, the first thing you'll see in this is we've brought in the construction data. So here we have a simplified model for NDA reasons, but so you have your model from, if that's from Revit or anything else, and from that, the Revit model might have been structured by the architects in a very specific way, which makes sense to them, but doesn't really make sense to me as a planner, because actually I want to do this floor by floor, which isn't how they've structured their data. So here you can see I'm very visually just taking the CAD and just creating this process where I'm splitting out however I need it, to make a little bit easier for me as a planner, without affecting the architecture structure. And then from that, I'm then creating a process plan where I'm actually going to define what floor comes when. So if I'm going to build the first 3 floors and then I'm going to kick off my MEP teams, or maybe it's down to the specifics of I'm going to do this wall, then this wall, then this wall. So that sort of level. I would always say here you want to start as high level as possible and then really focus that in later. So you don't want to instantly start thinking, I'm going to simulate every single bit of bolt and nut and false work for the site. Always start as big picture as possible, because it will become obvious the key areas that you need to build the processes for as you build this system. And then from that, we can obviously do some more clever things like create Gantt charts and look at the process and analyze it a bit more detailed as well. And the idea here again is the process can be very visual, created in a visual way, but if you prefer working through spreadsheets, that does exist as well, where you can build that that way too. The idea being there's multiple ways to do essentially the same thing, so you as an engineer can work how fits you best essentially and be most efficient. And then from that we get some of these great 4D build-ups, which hopefully you guys have seen something similar before, but I think Delmia does do it in a special way. So it automatically generates your Gantt charts, as we said.